What I have here is I actually sent the plans that I was given by B&B Yacht Design, the plans for the mainsail, and I sent that plans to Sailrite, and they have cut out and basically pre-cut all of the sailcloth for me. And along with that, they provided a nice kit instructions. Yeah, they built a kit. So because I'm doing sail slides, they put slides in, they put edging, they put a, what's this called, the head, head plates, the grommets that would be needed, basically everything to build a sail, and including battens. One of the battens was missing, so I had to let him know. Package was cracked up a little bit, but everything else made it. And so I'll start getting on that here shortly. I purchased the mast from B&B Yacht as well, and all it is 3 pieces of aluminum tubing that are different diameters. 2 of them needed fiberglass just on one end, the lower 2, and so what we did is applied cling wrap to the outside. Then we built up carbon fiber and epoxy, and after building it up, we fit it inside its counterpart at the top. And when it set and dry, we were quite easily able to separate the 2 without any issue. Because I decided to do slides instead of a sleeve over the mast, we need to attach a slide track, and that track needs to stay aligned. So we drilled a hole in 2 sections big enough for a galvanized coupler locking pin, and we insert that, and it keeps them aligned. Now the rivets to install the slide need to fit between the outside inner part of the track, and to do that we just had to grind them down a little bit. And then because the track is on different diameter aluminum tubing, we needed a way to line those up, and that's what the wood wedge is for. And once it was all lined up and attached to the mast, it was time to take it out for a test sail. And all in all, it performed really well. I did eventually put a topping lift at the end of the boom, because here you can see me rowing and it's actually leaning on my shoulder. I don't know if anybody has a better way to do this, but topping lift, that was a win for my situation. And then I put some little trim indicators on, and here it is, under sail and going pretty fast. You know, a good 3.5 knots. Okay. Tacking, very responsive. It's a small boat. So thanks for following along in this series. I hope you got something out of it. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below.